How to check word count in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the simplest way then you can check your word count. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Google Docs. So let me open one document here. Okay, so this is my document, and I have one page and I have some count word here. So I can simply count by going the option called tools, and you can use this option word count. You can use the shortcut key also, control shift plus control C, control plus shift plus C. Okay, if you click on it, your total page will be display here, your total word will be display here, and total characters means single word, single character will be display here, and character excluding space, the space also display here. Okay, character excluding space. Okay, and if you want to display your word count while typing, you can simply click on this option and click on OK. You can see this word count has been displayed here. If I type something, the word count will be increased, and here you can see, if you click on this down arrow, you can see the other details like your page, word, character, and character excluding space. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.